what animals should a great white shark not mess around, or what animals would kill a great white shark? Um, Crocodiles. Yes and no, depending on which, on the specimen or not. Crocodiles and sharks have been known to kill each other. Crocodiles have been known to kill smaller sharks, while bigger sharks attack the smaller crocs. Now, if a crocodile, now I mean, sorry about that. Now, if larger specimens of both crocodiles and larger specimens of great white sharks, for example, if these animals met each other, I'm pretty sure they would give each other a wide berth. There is no need for them to fight over each other or kill each other. If a great white shark tries to, nip at a crocodile, the crocodile is going to fend for itself with its tail and its razor sharp teeth. Now, a great white shark, now with a crocodile trying to mess with a great white, the great white is going to defend itself as well, using its razor sharp teeth. So crocodiles and great whites, the larger specimens, do not attack each other. They give each other a wide berth. But of course, if one dies of natural causes or etc., of course that one would eat the other. For example, if there was a crocodile that died in the middle of the ocean, of course that a shark is going to eat it. That's how it is. It's part of the circle of life. Every animal that's died of old age or natural causes or etc. is eaten. We see it in Africa, in the Serengeti and things like that. So personally, but at the end of the day, really, crocodiles and sharks only try to kill each other if they eat the smaller specimens, like large crocs eating the small sharks, and then sharks eating, the smaller crocs. Yeah. It's simple as that, really. Now, dolphins. Of course that a lone dolphin would easily get destroyed by a shark, depending on what species of shark we're talking about. But since I'm talking about great white sharks, bull sharks, and tiger sharks in this category, yeah, a tiger shark, bull shark, and a great white would, and I think a blue shark, correct me if I'm wrong, would destroy a ball-nosed dolphin. But as a pod, they would easily destroy a shark, because a pod of dolphins is pretty damn terrifying. They would headbutt, they would nip, they would chase after the shark. The shark would just swim away. Why would it risk injury? It's just like with a crocodile. Why would it risk injury, or the shark trying to attack a croc? It wouldn't risk the injury, it would just run away. Now, the number one main killer of great white sharks is, of course, killer whales. Yes, there have been reports on killer whales attacking great white sharks. There is no reports on great whites attacking, of course, killer whales, but killer whales have been attacking great whites. In 1997, there was this female specimen named CO2 that drowned a great white shark. It headbutt and it flipped over the shark by paralyzing it, basically. And great white killer whales, orcas, are very smart. They know the animal's weakness and etc. They're pretty smart animals, just like the ball-nosed dolphin, and they're in the dolphin family. Anyways, killer whales, are, and also, that's another thing too, is that killer whales are actually pretty damn large. Killer whales are about, I want to say, around 3,000 pounds or somewhere between 4 tons, I believe. Correct me in the comments section. While a great white shark is 20 feet long. Oh, and also killer whales are 30 feet long. While great whites are 20 feet long and around 2,000 pounds, maybe a little more than that. Well, actually, yeah, great whites are 2,000 pounds. So, and also great whites are slower, while killer whales are pretty damn fast. Now, this is so it's a big difference. Anyways, now the big now this is really interesting. Another animal that could also kill a shark is a seal. Of course, not great whites or bull sharks or tiger sharks or anything, but there have been seals or sea lions have been known to kill smaller sharks like the mako shark and etc., I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not really a shark expert. I haven't studied sharks before. Sorry. But there have been reports on a blue or mako shark that was killed by a seal. And when you think about it, a smaller shark would not risk its life against an animal like that. The seal has a lot of blubber. It has a strong bite. There's some species of seals like the Cape fur seal, the leopard seal have been known to kill like seabirds, like penguins, and etc. So why the risk, really, of a smaller shark trying to kill a seal or a sea lion? Yeah. So this actually proves that sharks are not the unstoppable force of natures of the seas or anything like that. Yes, they may be an ancient predator more than, of course, crocodilians and etc., because they've been around for 400 million years. Still, that doesn't mean jack shit, really. These are still animals at the end of the day.